Oh my goodness. I can't even. Look at this gorgeous day. Can you hear the woodpecker? Can you hear the blue jays? Ah, this is a beautiful, gorgeous day in a sweet little park that I've never walked in before because I've never hung out in Cleveland before. But it makes me think of the question I ask all of my clients. What do you love to do in your free time, right? And it's often hiking, dining, traveling, hanging out with my kids, going to yoga. It's all those things that are easier to do when you can manage your life better, right? When your schedule is organized and your car is organized and your home is organized and your closet is organized and the pantry's organized and kitchen is organized. It's just makes it so much easier for you to live better. And it made me so grateful for my amazing team in Louisville, Kentucky, who is organizing homes while I am here learning about new ways to help clients. And it made me think of all of our wonderful clients and how much happier and freer they can be, and how grateful we are to be able to help them. And you too, my dear, deserve to be happy.